Hi everyone! The quick thinking strategy that I want to introduce today is one of the SCAMPER techniques. In SCAMPER, P stands for put to other uses. This is what I'm going to talk in this tutorial. What is putting to other uses? Think about a common item that we use in our daily life. One way that we can be creative is thinking of how we use the item in alternative ways that I have not used or seen before. When it comes to common items, we might have fixed perspectives on how to use them because the mind is oftentimes ruled over by convention or social norms. It really blocks us from thinking in totally new ways. So we need to get out of the cognitive fixation by exploring other uses of the common items. For instance, let us think about a tin cup. How would you use a tin cup? Of course, most people use a tin cup for drinking water. Then let's ask this question. What else ways can I use a tin cup? What about using it to hold toothbrush? I can have my phone leaning against it so I can watch YouTube during lunch. I can plant flower there so it serves as a plant pot. How about using it as a hole for playing a ball game? Here is one rule very important in implementing this strategy. You gotta be as silly as possible to come up with totally new ways that no one had thought about before. And more importantly, you should not judge any thoughts coming up in your mind. Don't forget that you can use the tin cup for anything in any ways as long as it works. Here is a great example that people make a wonderful product using the strategy putting to other uses. The name of this product is Freitag, which is a German bag company. Imagine what the bag is made of. As you can see in the pictures, it was recycled truck tires. One time, it was the truck tires that people used to cover the truck while running the highways. Then they take them off and put them to other use, like bags. So they created a totally new product, such as a Freitag. Now it's our turn. How can we apply this strategy to classroom learning? Here's a quick example that I could teach students how to think creatively in the context of fifth grade science, as well as learn about how human activity interacts with Earth. The relevant science standard is students obtain and combine information about ways individual communities use science ideas to protect the Earth's resources and environment. Here's a big idea. The teacher provides a real-world scenario in which students can come up with various science ideas to reuse resources using the thinking strategy putting to other uses. For instance, the teacher can say that, let's suppose that a local grocery has collected aluminum cans through the campaign to promote recycling. The local grocery recycling team has no idea how to reuse the pile of canned stock and decided to ask for help from the school. They want two things. One, the can should be all used. And second, the locals, the people who live in that local, should enjoy them. The two criteria are pretty important because they serve as constraints that can trigger student creative thinking more, as well as help to weed out weird ideas. The teacher can add more criteria, maybe based on science standards. For instance, teachers can ask students to use certain science ideas. Then students should identify ways to put the cans to different uses. Some are too silly, maybe unrealistic. However, they should eventually choose the most creative idea, most and working idea. Then the teacher asks students to work in teams to develop a product by reusing the cans. This is just one of the many great ideas of applying putting to other uses strategies to our teaching. Well, hope this tutorial helped your teaching.